Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the race style in F1 24. Race style is mostly related to the settings and assists that you have access to. If you go to the settings, whether it is in the career mode or the Grand Prix settings, then you will find some simulation settings, for instance, where if you have the casual race style, it can be quickly switched to standard or expert. In order to do that, we need to simply change the settings filter. So in the top right corner you can see the button that you need to press in order to change the settings filter. And of course, if you use expert, you have, in this case, in the case of simulation settings, you have access to pretty much every option, and then you can adjust them one by one how you want them to be. And the same goes with assist. So if you go to assist and if you set casual settings filter, then you have the steering assist, which can be simply turned on or off. But if you switch to standard, then immediately you have access to much more options, not only the steering assist but also the braking assist and so on and so forth. So keep that in mind, that all of these are mostly adjusted in the settings, I mean those race styles. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.